Economic analysis of renewable energy system in building, located in San Francisco and Montreal. These are our teammates. A new 3-story office building is proposed to be built in San Francisco and Montreal. The owner wants to install renewable energy system in this office building to save money from energy consumption. We choose owner perspective to compare different alternatives and select the best plan to maximize net saving. In this case, we want to determine the most suitable renewable energy system for the same building in different locations, which are San Francisco and Montreal. The total annual energy demand of the proposed building is simulated by the eQuest, including electricity and natural gas use. To select a renewable energy system for the building, we considered sun resource, wind resource, and geothermal resource. Based on the feasibility analysis, we narrowed down the alternatives. Reject the geothermal system, select photovoltaic system, select wind system, use solar thermal collector system. SAM was used to estimate and design the renewable energy system. After the simulation based on the electricity production result, we can find that the Montreal is not sufficient with solar resource. The all-covering alternative is not feasible because the simulation shows that the area of the photovoltaic is larger than the building area, so we select the half-covering alternatives. For the San Francisco, we selected all-covering alternatives since the simulation showed the electricity production is high enough to cover the demand by a medium size of photovoltaic system. We extracted the system cost from the software, which include the initial cost and annual operation cost. The inflation is not considered in this step, but will be considered later. Degradation of the system is also not considered. Inputting data collected from SAM into Excel helped us to draw the cash flows for the different alternatives in both places. Based on the useful lives of the alternatives, which are 25 years, we have decided to consider the investment horizon analysis period 50 years. At the next step, not having MARR so far, we use IR analysis to make choice table for both places. As a result from SAM simulation and cash flow analysis, we came up with using wind system for Montreal and solar system for San Francisco. Further work: deeper analysis and comparison of alternatives. Do the researches for data gathering on tax and also any incentives from government of both projects location. Thank you for watching.